Hi everyone, I am Anil Kumar, motivational speaker. Today, I would like to speak about the present status of writ petition at Honorable High Court of Karnataka. As well, I am going to make debate about Karnataka State Law University as well as writ petitioners. The Karnataka State Law University has made many allegations about the writ petition. So, meanwhile, still pending arguments from writ petitions advocate. So far, argument has not been done. That case has been adjourned to 15th of November 2021. Whereas Karnataka State Law University has already given notification saying that art semesters uh, academics will be started on November 15th, 2021. So here the question is when Karnataka State Law University will be going to conduct examinations. So as you all know, once academic sessions started, after it is very difficult to conduct the examinations because that academics will get interrupted with the examinations because 1 month, minimum 1 month, it is required to conduct the examination from KSLU for all students for our especially even semester examinations. If they are going to conduct again, we are going to spoil around 1 month to 1.5 month, especially academics for the further semesters, what we call art semesters. Academics will be started on 15th of November 2021. After that, if Karnataka State Law University announce the examination notification for the even semester, means it is very difficult for our even semesters examination to write the examinations because our students are saying that we have not received any very good what we call year means 2 years before what we have got education from the KSLU means colleges physical classes we have been attended. When when was attending the physical classes, there was a huge good impact to study about our LLB exams and to write about the LLB examination. It was very nice, but due to pandemic, we were unable to attend the classes. We were unable to attend the online classes, and we are unable to attend the offline classes. So this is very important that Honorable High Court of Karnataka has to be noted that many of the students have not been prepared well for the upcoming LLB examinations because as you all know, due to pandemic situations, it was very difficult situation to read or study about their LLB examinations. Everyone was having fear to attend the classes. Everyone was having the fear. Many of the students has been affected with COVID positive. We can say around 10,000 students means at least minimum 500 to 600 students have been affected from the COVID positive. For those who are all, they have not attended the physical classes, they have not attended the online classes. It was very difficult. Now also it is difficult for them to write the examinations because this is the article what you call 21 right to live. Everyone has the liberty to right to live. So that has been violated in the present scenario. Whereas even every in Karnataka, especially across Karnataka, many of the universities have been promoted for the even semesters examinations previous year, what we call 2020 and as well as 2021. Both the years means both the semesters, second semester, fourth semesters who are studying for the examinations, whether it could be BE, whether it could be BA, whether it could be BCom, whether it could be BSc. Many of the university, Karnataka, in the Karnataka itself, geographical area what we call in the Karnataka itself, many of the universities have been promoted on the basis of 50 percent is to 50%. Like earlier year 50% of overall earlier semesters, and as well as 50% of the present internal assessments semesters, that both have clubbed together and they have got promoted on the basis of 50 is to 50. The Honorable High Court of Karnataka has given the judgment earlier year. On the same basis of judgment, this year also, academic year for the year 2021 also, they have been promoted and they have been passed. Here, our writ petition are saying here the violation of Article 14. This is called violated in across, especially in the Karnataka State Law University. This has been violated Article 14 and Article 21. So whereas our Karnataka State Law University is saying that and presenting some money allegations to at Honorable High Court of Karnataka, we have been conducted classes for especially even semesters online mode, and have been conducted means we have been covered almost all syllabus for the even semesters examinations. Even physical mode also we have been conducted. Hence we will be going to conduct the examinations. Without conducting examination, if we pass, there is no quality of the people going to output, means qualified people, means quality of the lawyers, what we call quality of the advocates will not going to come output. There will be a very huge impact on our judiciary. So that is the reason we are not going to make we are not means we are going to conduct the examinations, and without conducting the examination we won't give any certificate to the students. They are saying like that. But here the thing is that the Karnataka State Law University has to be pointed and to be noted the some points of even they should understand our even students problems also, because at least if this year we already academic year has been postponed nearly 6 months of time, and again if they are going to conduct the examinations, there will be again 1 month, it will be one month to 1.5 months, it will be get again postponed. So it will be affect to the students future careers, and it will be affected to the students life also, because 7 to 8 months it will be get postponed for the academic year. There will be a waste of 1 year for especially for students. So this is how as my knowledge and my views, it is very difficult to write the examinations, especially for the even semesters examinations. So if we at least the academic year will be started on 15th of November 2021. Then after, if we concentrate on art semesters academics, that will be very fine, and there we hope there is no problem in that. Instead of worrying about those kind of things, we can able to concentrate on our art semester, especially the upcoming LLB semesters. We can able to study well, and we can able to score well for the future, means academic year for the year 2020 21 and 22, what we call. So here the thing is that every one student's request, means behalf of KSLU, overall studying in the KSLU, all students' prayer is to please cancel the examinations, and on the basis of 50% is to 50%, we have to get promoted and we have to get pass for the especially for the even semesters. All Karnataka State Law University students are request is that at least if KSLU is it's required to consider the students problems, at least due to pandemic situation. It has happened all the things happened due to pandemic COVID of 19. So I hope this year there is no much affect COVID. At least if we get if our student get pass at least even semesters, at least they can able to concentrate on art semesters whichever academic started on the November 15th 2021. It will be very useful. Our KSLU students can be upgrade themselves. So if they don't conduct examinations of even semesters, they will be for especially student life. It is very good. And if Karnataka State Law University have should conduct examination, means it's very big impact with for our student, especially who have been affected COVID positive, like COVID-19, who has been positive around many of the students have been affected with COVID positive. For them it is very difficult to write the examinations. Many of the students have not been attended the classes of online. They have many of the students, they have not been attended the classes of physical classes. They were unable to attend the examinations, miss sorry academics. So in this scenario, better if KSLU consider our students request, our petitioner request, if they cancel, that is well and good for especially for Karnataka State Law University who are studying law students. So at least if they cancel, if they promote for the upcoming year, it is very easy and it is very much helpful for our, especially for further art semesters academics. They can able to properly, constantly they can able to study well. I hope this video has been given little bit clarity about Karnataka State Law University versus writ petitioners behalf of students. So I hope my all videos are very good, informative, and for your academics of 3 years LLB and 5 years LLB. Please do subscribe my channel Anil Kumar Keddi, so that you will get very good videos like this. Thank you.